Okay, time travelers, buckle up. Today you're jumping 6 weeks into the past, to that ancient era known as mid-April. Why? Because that's when I planted these absolute units, raspberry plants. Welcome to the orchard, where chaos meets gardening. So here's the plan for planting raspberries. Mark a 50 cm wide strip between my fruit trees. Prep the soil like it's applying to an elite plant academy. Then drop a little barrier to stop the grass from crushing the party. I've never seen anyone plant raspberries between trees like this, which means it's either genius or not. Naturally, I had to try. Step 1. Remove the grass layer, because the raspberries don't need roommates they didn't ask for. Step 2. Dig a 30 cm hole, then add an anti-mold net so the roots can grow undisturbed. Now for the fun part, soil remix. To the original soil I add pine bark, deacidified peat, pelleted cow manure, sand, compost, pine shavings. Why? Because raspberries love a diverse buffet and a slightly acidic pH. Ideally between 5.5 and 6.5. I let my plants soak in Leonardite suspension, a fancy plant smoothie, for 15 minutes. Best time to plant? Bareroot raspberries late winter to early spring, when plants are still dormant. Fall can work too. Potted raspberries? Anytime during the growing season, as long as they get cozy before frost shows up like an uninvited relative. Spacing matters. I go 30 to 40 centimeters apart. Bareroot goes in shallow. Clean, simple, humble. This one's potted, and its roots are giving spaghetti energy. I loosen them gently because even roots need space to live their best lives. Plant at the same depth as in the pot, not deeper. We're going in mulch mode later. I water with more Leonardite potion, because hydration is key. Then comes the pruning experiment. Some pruned just above the soil, some chopped to 20 centimeters, some left completely unpruned. Barrier in, pine bark mulch on top. We're ready. 1 week in, they're alive, or at least some of them. 6 weeks later, the weather? Trash. Cold. Almost freezing. They say it's the coldest May since 1991. May, you are the chosen one. You are supposed to bring growth to the orchard, not frost. But guess what? They're growing anyway. So far, the unpruned raspberries are winning the race. Will they stay ahead of the whole season? As always, we'll find out.